Welcome to the Candidate Forum sponsored by the Coalition of Little Rock Neighborhoods at City Hall. It will be recorded and broadcast several times on the City Cable TV Channel 11 before the November 6th election. To avoid bias, we ask our question panel members to work outside their ward. Candidates are seated in ballot order. Each candidate will have 3 minutes in this race for Little Rock District Judge, since they're not subject to policy questions as are others in the executive branch. We're
good, Annie. Some here. Thank you.
Wanted to introduce you to your panel. I'm Kathy Wells. I'm president of the Coalition of Little Rock Neighborhoods.
I'm Adam Kleinerman, Clinton School of Public Service.
Good morning.
Morning.
So, Melanie, give us a 3-minute statement about why you want to be Little Rock District Judge, please.
All right. Good morning, Miss Kathy, and I'm Melanie Martin. I am a candidate for District Court Judge. We are a nonpartisan countywide race, but this particular position is for the criminal judge. And this was vacated by Judge Lytle leaving last year, so this is a special election. I am a wife and mother of 2. I have served as Pulaski County Bar Association president and currently serve as foundation president and also teach at Bowen School of Law. My background has been in the courtrooms of our county, not only Pulaski but Perry counties, and I've been a deputy prosecuting attorney for 26 years now and now serve in the role of a senior deputy. And so a lot of people ask us why we wanted to run for this. My background and experience in our courtrooms and also managing our courtrooms has given me insight into the issues of crime in the city of Little Rock and also in our community. Most especially violent crimes, because I believe all of us can agree that violent crimes have been an issue here in the city. Having that background and that policy making decisions and working with judges and working with the jail and understanding the overcrowding situation puts me in a position that I feel it's a good time, of course, to have a judge with a background like this. There are many services, I believe, that can be offered to people that come into criminal court. Those would include drug treatment. Those would include better services offered for mental health issues. Also, we've had a problem, as we know, with guns on the streets, but also something that we could do in district court level is offer more services in the area of domestic violence. And we see a lot of these issues that later on can lead to homicides. My background in 26 years, and my reputation is that I'm fair and impartial. I know Peggy and I come from different ends, but and we've both had experience in our courtrooms, but I've been known to be fair and impartial, and I'm looking forward to the opportunity to taking a seat if elected, and I would ask you for your vote. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll now hear from the second candidate, Peggy Eagan.
Thank you and good morning. Hello, I'm Peggy Eagan, and I'm on all Pulaski County ballots for a nonpartisan district court judgeship. I'm hoping you will pick Peg in the upcoming elections. I thank the organizers and technicians and everyone who helped give me this opportunity to speak directly to the voters. And pardon my use of notes. I'm limited to 3 minutes, and I have to stay on track. The position is that of Little Rock District Criminal Court Judge. Police who need arrest warrants or search warrants will ask me to authorize such warrants. Persons arrested and held in jail without bond will see me for consideration of conditions of release from jail. Individuals who are prepared to plead guilty to misdemeanor offenses may do so, and I will sentence them. Defendants who wish to go to trial on misdemeanor offenses will have their trials. That is a quick summary of the role of a judge in a criminal district court, but there is much more. There is communication and coordination with jail staff. There is supervision of court staff. There is training of probation officers. There is management of courtroom space and availability and scheduling. There is the professional ongoing relationship between the court and the prosecuting attorneys and the criminal defense attorneys and the Little Rock police officers. And of course, there is the relationship between the persons accused of criminal acts, the victims of criminal acts, and the non-law enforcement witnesses. 1,500 people signed a petition to get me on this ballot. Almost 11,000 people voted for me in May to get me to this runoff election. I am humbled, I am thankful, and I am still energized and excited by the possibilities. And I am the best qualified for this position. I have been a criminal defense attorney and employed as a deputy public defender since 2002. I have felony trial experience with and without juries. I have handled cases in all the district courts in this county and am currently assigned to a district court where I have been for almost 3.5 years. I know rules of evidence, elements of crimes. I know the rules of criminal procedure. And I know that every single person charged with a crime is entitled to a presumption of innocence. And I know the burden is on the state to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. I know that how people are treated is part of being fair, being unbiased, being impartial. And I know that there is no one-size-fits-all sentencing scheme that will help deter crime and improve the safety of the community members. I encourage each of you to visit my webpage, Peggy Eagan, 4judge.com, and my Facebook page, Peggy Eagan for District Court Judge, to get a better understanding of my platform. But please vote, and please pick Margaret Peggy Eagan for District Court Judge.
Time.
Thank you so much. This concludes this forum.